Hi, I'm Sue Ryan from Frore Systems, and we are so excited to have won a Best Choice Award at this year's COMPUTEX. We have actually won it for what we have here, which is the AirJet Mini G2 chip. This is a solid-state active cooling chip that is used for consumer devices and devices on the edge. So devices that have to increase performance to enable, particularly for the increase in AI expectations and inferencing of devices on the edge. This enables the thermal envelope to be enlarged so you can have smaller, more compact, high-performing products that can be vibration-free, water-resistant, and dust-proof, and silent. So let me explain to you what AirJets are used and how we actually use them in devices. So here, this is a Qualcomm reference design for a mini PC. And as you can see, it's really, really thin. The reason it is so thin is because the cooling thermal module that's in it, that has 3 of our AirJet Mini on it, the AirJet Minis are only 2.65 millimeters thick. So because they're so thin, and you can see how thin this thermal module is, that's what enables us to do such a thin product here in this mini PC. If you wanted to compare it, this is a Mac Mini. Now you can see the difference in the thickness. This is actually a higher performing product than this Mac Mini. The reason that we can get such high performance out of such a compact device is because of those AirJet Minis, because the Mac Mini here, you can see the vents around the bottom. This needs to have a fan in it. And because it needs to have that fan, it needs to have a much bigger form factor. So that's an example of how we can reduce the size and get high-performing compact devices using the AirJet Mini. So AirJet Minis can enable devices to be faster, quieter, thinner, lighter, vibration-free, silent, dust-proof, vibration-free, and water-resistant. So with that, thank you to COMPUTEX 2026 again for such an incredible award. If you'd like more information on the AirJet Mini, just go to FroreSystems.com.